Hi guys, I'm Priyanshi and I'm a CA final student. I'm also currently working. Today I have with me Mr. Sachin Maheshwari. He's a CA, CFA and FRM. He has worked with multiple global investment firms. As he has recruited about 2000 people and interviewed so many people, I thought that I would tap into his experience and get him to answer some of the questions that we all have when we are seeking our first job. So, sir, my first question to you would be, everybody is always running behind qualifications, but is that the answer to actually get our first jobs?
Well, qualifications are a good way to establish your credentials in the area that you are interested in, but that's not clearly the thing that employers are looking for. What employers are looking for is your genuine aptitude and interest and relevant skills that you bring with it, even if you don't have the relevant knowledge to start with, since you are a fresher, if you are a fresher. In terms of what freshers should be doing, I would say, you need to identify your interest and, identify your goals. And then work towards them. If you do not have your interest identified or your goals identified, that's okay for a beginner. While you're starting out your career after college or after some professional course. But it's important to learn while you are doing things, even while you are seeking a job and when you are in the job. So try and show your interest and homework to your potential employer, and understand and define for yourself and to the employer, to the interviewer, as to why you are the right candidate and why you chose this space. So if you are, the more you are clear about that, the better it is in terms of a win-win fitment for you as well as the employer.
Right. So that was actually very helpful, and I think it was really informative. My second question to you would be, what are some of the skills that we require, when it comes to our first job?
When you're starting out, like I already mentioned, it's all about your ability to learn, be a team player, have the right attitude and the aptitude, show your effort and diligence around basic things. It could be discipline, aptitude, interest, teamwork, because assuming that you don't have relevant knowledge and experience. If you do have relevant knowledge, that's great. You may not have the experience which you can acquire, and you have to start from scratch. But if you do the right things, if you apply yourself and learn on the job each day, starting from your first day, you will grow, and you should always question yourself, even after you got your first job, that are you learning every week, every month, every year, so that you can stay on track with your goals towards whatever you want to achieve in your life.
So I think I really agree with the learning point. As a student, that is what should be my first priority. And so my final question to you would be that you mentioned something about work experience, right? So as a beginner, most of the times we don't have as much work experience, or we would have just done an internship for 2-3 months. So how do we convince our employer that, even though we don't have work experience, we are right for the job?
Well, it's not easy, and there are no clear answers, or there are no formulas as such. What most employers are looking for is your genuine interest. Can you demonstrate some homework, some project, some aptitude, some reading that you would have done, even if you don't have the experience, to assure the employer that you would do all that it takes. It could be some basics around, if you know MS Office, if you have been tracking global market news, or if you've been tracking the markets, and you've got some basic understanding of what's going around in the space that you're interested in, that's I think more than enough that an employer is seeking. Obviously, because you got to assure that the employer will not regret hiring you, and you got to be a team player, and you got to make the most of it. And remember, the employer is not hiring or giving you the job to make your career. Our careers are incidental in our jobs. So you got to be able to learn while you perform the role, right? So that's what it is, and every job offers some learning opportunity. Depends on what you are looking for.
Right. Thank you so much for sharing all of this information with us. I think it was really informative and useful, and I hope it reaches out to everybody so that they can take some of the tips that you shared with us when we are walking into an interview.